Hi everyone, welcome to our Simbubbles tutorial. So as you can see, we already load the Maya free from the My sample. So then we can run a couple of frames to generate the Maya free mesh. As the water, this mesh is the water. So then we can, before we use our bubble simulation, we need to select the Maya free first, and then we click the create. As you can see, the generator is at the center of the screen. Then we can move our generator into the into the water. We can add several different generator as we want. Then after we set up the generator, we can click this window. Then we can set several different parameters of the bubble. So let's the bubble number is described how many bubble you want to generate from this generator, and then the bubble size is described how big the bubble should be, and then the wetness is described the resting length between each bubble. So the bigger wetness will have bigger resting length. The stiffness is described strong interaction force between the bubble, and then the drag force described how the bubble will be dragged by the liquid, and then the liquid adhesion force described how the bubble will going to stay at the liquid, and then the bubble attraction force is the weak interaction force between the bubble. So it's basically the surface tension on the liquid, and then the solid adhesion force is described how the bubble will stay with the solid, and then the solid attraction force described when the bubble is far away from the solid, is will going to attract this attraction force by the solid, and then the damping force is basically the friction of the bubble, and then the bursting speed is described how fast the bubble will be burst when they are going into after they generate. So after we set all these parameters, and we can click apply, then we run. Then you can see the bubble is generating from the generator, and they're going to stay at the surface when they are going up. So we can stop here. When you render the scene, you can see we already applied the default shader for the bubble. For changing the shader, we can go to the outliner here, and then select the bubble point. Then go to the hyper shape. Then assign this material to the selection. Then in this way, we change the shader of the bubble, as you can see from the render view.